Just wanted to jump ahead because Kayla is an Aries guy.
VIP. Yeah, Sydney, see?
So
they are separated. Yeah, I see.
Yeah. We got VIP tickets because
oh shit, I just
very important people. Very important people only. There she goes. I got some diamonds on my neck, got Patron in my gut. If you want it, come and get it. I don't give a fuck. We about to go into this shit. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna be scared.
I'm not playing with y'all. I'm like, no, right now. Don't scare nobody.
Are you ready, Kate? Oh my God.
Go ahead. Good luck.
Go ahead. Good luck. Okay, I interrupt this program to inform you guys, firstly, my apologies on my poor videography skills. I'm a noob to this vlogging life, but I kept missing when we first went into these places and the actors would react to my costumes and saying stuff like, I want to keep you in a jar and stuff. But yeah, enjoy the darkness. The main thing they had going for them was scaring people in the dark, so it's mostly going to be dark clips. Just prepare. These people, they said they like the fairies. These people acting scary.
Oh, you're fine. I only know because I just said it. I almost would have to ask
Epileptic burning. Touching me. What? Someone was touching my leg. Oh hell no! No one touched your leg. I'm confused.
No.
Oh my God! I felt like a hand.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Ah! They touched me again.
That's where they got me in the crib right there. That's when they got you.
Yo, I'm done. Now we're you're doing my face. Oh gosh, it's moving. Oh snap. Oh no.
I'm not sitting in the back of the bus.
It's the exit. Oh my God. Oh my God. I know who was touching me. I know who. Who the fuck was touching me? Oh my God. They're serious. They got my ass. Don't feed the animal. I ain't feeding them.
Why are you grabbing on me, yo?
Watch out, watch out!
Why? Sorry. Yeah!
Did she say go or can we?
You good?
Ready? Let's rock and roll. Sorry, y'all missed it. They said they wanted to put me in a jar and keep me.
I'm a hood bitch.
I'm sorry, I didn't get it. Alright, I'm gonna do better at filming, guys.
I can't do it.
I stopped doing this nigga foot. I stopped doing that nigga foot by accident. I stepped on his foot by accident.
You didn't see him?
No!
Is that real? That's all I need to know. Is that real?
Yes, it's a real person. They love my costume. Hell no. That was creepy. Thanks.
Are you supposed to be a fairy princess thing?
Just a fairy.
I like it.
Thank you.
You're not supposed to be so friendly.
See? It's my good luck.
The other one did okay.
He was fucking touching my leg. I knew I wasn't fucking crazy. Talk fucking gaslighting ass.
New experiment.
Champ is in. Champ is in. Champ is in.
Use John Cena?
You gotta try a little bit harder. A little bit harder.
Will you hurry up? I'm not trying to go alone.
Champ is in.
Oh, yeah, I thought you now I'm calling her Gabriella. Kiki! I just hit my head.
Oh no.
Cindy is so stupid. Cindy should Wait.
Hello, black.
Whoa! Just ran into the door. Open the door! Open the door! Josiah would say, yes, it is black. Open the door.
Get out! All of you.
You need to leave.
What did he say?
Get him, Tony.
What he say?
Tony said, "You think I come out to my car?" Oh!
No, I thought she didn't know where to go. She got her name.
Open the door.
God dear.
Open the door.
Open the
Open the door.
Oh!
Oh my gosh.
Wait, oh my god!
Guys, in a legit dark.
Somebody! Ow, my fucking oh my god!
Oh, hell.
She got me like,
Wait, is this a man?
that's a animal.
Where you at? I don't know where I'm at. Jesus Christ!
They pissing their pants.
Kiara, ow!
I'm right here.
Arrows in this bitch.
You say arrows. Over here.
Scared the shit out of me,
I don't have a light on, dingle. It's my camera. This is the hayride. I'm about to go on. I keep recording it the wrong way. But yeah. So this is a pretty long line.
Despite
Oh yeah.
derision and name
Gotta
calling
upgrade, you know.
of my former colleagues,
Send me a
I
mic,
push
guys.
forward, thrusting into the very valid science.
Upgrade me like Beyonce.
We will mock the earthquake. Tonight, we will bring forth the heavens. Tonight, we will be very grateful to bear witness to my years of experimentation in blood,
All
sweat,
that
and pain.
on the full moon, a spooky night. I want to watch Twitches. In Halloween Town.
Walked through earlier on that bridge, like that big.
Fairy Godmother.
Fairy Godmother?
Scary Godmother.
Scary
the cartoon that came out.
No. Little Chris.
Secure all your personal
Kayla
items,
be in the woods.
especially cell phones and keys.
A straight
You cannot be
woods.
responsible for lost or stolen later.
I wouldn't jump off the hayride for $1 million
Restrain yourself
because.
and your children from
she's so
touching the
scary.
actors or props.
But she
while
an
on your
Aries
journey.
though. An Aries sun. Okay.
And my humble laboratory.
What the fuck? Too fucking
This will
loud.
serve as a record, as it were, of my ultimate success in the field of electrical transmogrification.
Okay, this hayride, it better be giving. Because so far, we've been getting some iffy stuff. It's been okay, but it could be better. Sorry. Oh shit.
You do this bullshit for 30 years and make money off of it?
Oh gosh. This is their advertising. It was all Zoom. I'm done.
This is not comfortable.
There he is. Oh, we're moving. What the fuck? What the fuck?
They triggered the quake. Now get them. Hit them all. Everything. Leave nothing behind. Kill them.
Oh my god. Oh gosh.
What's up, buddy?
This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual purge sanctioned by the U.S. government. Weapons of Class 4 and lower officials of ranking 10 have been granted immunity from the purge and shall not be harmed. Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours. Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. when the purge concludes. Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn. May God be with you all.
The hands look
No, we stopping and shit. I don't know. You don't see that big ass ew. What are we waiting for? Something's supposed to happen or what? Oh gosh. Hold on, wait. This it. This the egg.
Come to me. Let me analyze you. I demand you come closer. I need your energy. Your life energy. It will make us live again. I feel your power surging through me.
What the fuck?
The good of my experiments. You live forever within.
Now one more time.
Silence. Remove them from the wagon. Take what we need. Destroy the rest.
He's all up in your face, Caleb.
Away with you. Be gone, useless husks. Be gone.
Stop touching me. Jay think he fucking slick. Jay be getting Kayla. Yeah. Kayla easy. Oh my god, it's so hot. They're hitting us. Oh my! Oh my! Oh my gosh! Why he do that in the dark?
I need them to find them. All of them, every last one of them. I'm feeding them to the grinder. Everyone must go. Do my bidding, or else you will pay. I will throw you into the grinder. Yes, I will do your bidding. I will throw every last one into the grinder. Yes, I will throw them into the grinder. Every last one of them will
better start the chainsaw right now. His nipples are fake.
You like his nips?
They do.
As my influence grows stronger,
It was all up in her face.
So we just went on the hayride, and then we walked through Jason's Woods. It's called like Boston Jason's Woods or something, and they got me. I ain't gonna lie, no. I'm a truth teller. Gotta keep it real and all that. So Kayla been getting scared the whole damn time, and so I'm saying she got her money's worth, but she complaining at the same time, which I don't understand, because clearly you scared, so you must be satisfied about your purchase. But alright, I'll check back in. So we just completed all of the little attractions here, and the best thing about it was the music, but so we just completed all of the little attractions here, and the best thing about it was the music, but now they're playing some basic stuff. They had a Baltimore club DJ, and you know I'm from B-More, so I was here for it. The funnel cake smelled good. Some of them actors, you know, the actors, I gotta give it up to the actors. I'm a drama major, so, you know, I gotta give them their props. But other than that, you know, what they was working with, they had to do what they get. You know, they had to deal with what they got. So they did what they had to do, what they could do. But other than that, yeah, it was kind of weak sauce. But yeah, would we do this again? No. Would we go to Field of Screams? Kayla says is way better, so we'll see. Maybe next year, I guess. If we go there, who knows? Stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe, comment, all that shit, right? Hit the notification bell for more. And this has been the Fairy. But we about to get lit at her, at Kayla's crib. So I'll tune back in later.